I am Style Pioneer Priya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am giving you girls 4 must-have pants that I think all of you should have in your wardrobe. Now, if you are someone who like to keep a very minimum wardrobe but still want to still stylish, this video is for you. So all these pants are super versatile. They can evenly dressed up and dressed out. You really don't need to spend money on like 20 outfits. You just need these pieces to create your own good and stylish wardrobe for yourself. So without wasting a time, let's get into this video. So first pair of pants are black pair of jeans. These can be skinny fit, these can be boyfriend jeans, these can be girlfriend jeans, whatever you like, but make sure they are not distressed. So I would not recommend distressed jeans is must have in black, but must have good black jeans with you.
These are like a skinny fit and from Rodstar, and I have worn them so many times. Like these are literally my go-to these days. So these jeans are super comfortable. Now this one is also high rise, so I can wear it with any top. And just make sure if you are picking up a pair of skinny fit jeans, you have to wear something comfortable on top to balance out.
For the second one, now distressed jeans are also a trend that came in long time back, but they are here to stay 100%. I did mention that black distressed jeans is not must have, but the other one I have skinny fit blue jeans from Nifty.
This one is slightly distressed for like side on the thighs. You can get jeans like more to really like from the top to the bottom. So it's really depend on your choice, but this one is a trend that is here to stay. Look pretty cool, very good for casual outing. So I do recommend keep one in your wardrobe.
Now the third pair of pants are the high-waisted black wide leg pants. Now these are super comfy, unlike as skinny jeans.
If you are someone goes to office, this skin coming really handy because you can style in a very really different way with formal shirt or even for the non-business event. These can be really good. These are easily available on Myntra and Flipkart, but this one is from Dresswear.
Now the fourth pair of pants are the super fun cargo pants or utility pants. They have different names, but I really love them because they are the great way to switch it out from regular jeans or denims, and all these are actually very fun, and I think this become a part of our stable wardrobe.
You can pair them up with sneakers and t-shirt for a very casual day, or you can actually switch these up with strappy heels and with very cute top. These are super fun pants, actually look good on every body type, so I highly recommend this cargo pant. You can buy from any online sites or a store near your home.
So this is about my video of 4 pants that all girls must have. I hope you guys enjoy this video and found it helpful. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram where I posted my outfit pictures quite on regular basis with exact product detail, and you will find that very helpful. So that's it for now. I'm gonna signing off and I will see you guys in my next video.